Blockchain is not the technology. It's the revolution, just like the internet. The way internet brought the changes to our life, same changes will be brought up by blockchain in the very near future. In this video, we will try to understand what is blockchain in a very layman language. Hello everyone, I am Shailendra and I will explain you what is blockchain in a very easy way. Well, do you know the chain, the metallic chain? You must have seen that. Just like that metallic chain, we have chain of blocks and it is called as blockchain. Well, it's true, but it's not that simple. Before we understand blockchain in layman language, let's ask a technical guy, what is blockchain? He will say, blockchain is a public, distributed, peer-to-peer ledger which keeps the record in chronological order which is secure and immutable. It's too much complicated. I know you guys are getting angry over me. When I heard this definition of blockchain few years back, I was literally cracking my head. So for now, just ignore the definition. Let's try to understand blockchain in a layman language. So to understand this, consider an example. Suppose we have 4 people, Aniket, Bela, Dinesh and John. Let's assume we give them some money like $200, $300, $400 and $600 respectively. Suppose we create a ledger of this in traditional way, it will look like this. So to incorporate this in blockchain, we will encrypt this data using a very strong military grade algorithm, almost impossible to hack, and put it in a block. Please look at the block. It has 2 sections. First is the link and second is the data. Well, we will term this block as block number 1. Now we will share this block with everyone, making our blockchain network a truly public. But the data is encrypted. Now assume Aniket wants to transfer some funds to Dinesh. How it will be managed? Because in blockchain data is never modified. Now since Aniket has done a transaction, we have new set of records. But in blockchain data can never be modified. So how this is handled in blockchain? Here we will encrypt this new transaction and we'll put it in this block number 2. Remember, the block has 2 sections. One is data and other is link. So in the link section of block number 2, we will put all the encrypted data of block number 1. You see, there is a linking. Block number 2 contains a link of block number 1. And again, we will share this block number 2 with everyone. Now again, I am saying is our data is truly public. As we do more and more transactions, we will have to create more and more blocks to save these transactions. And they will be linked to each other, just like block number 1 and block number 2. So after some times, we will have many blocks linked to each other. We can call it as chain of block, but the real term is blockchain. There is one more thing to note down to understand blockchain. Whenever a transaction is done in the blockchain network, it has to be approved by all the person holding that data. Sometimes they are called as node. Now, this concept of blockchain has many advantages. The best part is there is no single point of failure because the data is shared with everyone. It is available in the computers of every people who is participating in the network. Second important benefit is there is no central authority in blockchain. Everybody who is participating in the network has right to approve or reject the transaction. There is no centralized person monitoring everything. Everybody is equally authorized and equally responsible for the network. Third important benefit of blockchain is its most secure and immutable technology available today. Well, there are many other benefits of blockchain we will study as we move on this playlist, but let's try to understand why blockchain is so secure and immutable. Just imagine if somebody wants to hack block number 10. To hack block number 10, we will first have to hack block number 11 because the link of data of block number 10 is available in block number 11. But to hack block number 11, you will have to first hack block number 12. One more thing, each block is encrypted with the military grade algorithm and all the blocks are stored in 1000 different computers. Just imagine we have 1 million blocks and which are stored in 1000 different computers across the globe. Believe me, even an army of hackers can't hack all the computers and all the blocks. Well, now let's look at the definition. Again, the definition was blockchain is a public distributed peer-to-peer ledger which keeps the record in chronological order which are secure and immutable. Well, you see, it's public. It's shared with everyone. It's peer-to-peer. It's not stored in a single computer. It's stored in computer with everyone. And also, none of the blocks are modified. The data is stored in the very next block in chronological order. Well, I hope you understood this technical definition of blockchain in a very simple way. So, if you want to become a blockchain developer or a blockchain consultant, you will have to learn many things like what is hashing, what is algorithm, what is private key, what is public key, what is cryptocurrency, what is Ethereum, what is smart contract, what is hyperledger. The list is limitless. Don't worry, we will be creating videos on each and every aspects of blockchain. To understand more about blockchain, to understand the applications of blockchain in various industries, you can always subscribe to our YouTube channel or you can follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching the video.